Hello guys, Best Review for Your Team is back again with another review on LifeStart 3.0 PLR. Firstly, we will look at the introduction, then what you get in this package. Also a positive note from John Machiriatal and the bonuses that I am going to offer you. Dominate the growing self-help niche by helping your audience transform their lives and rise to their true power with LifeStart 3.0 PLR. Quality done-for-you content bundle with private label rights that you can sell as your own and keep 100% of the profits. A never-seen-before, 100% done-for-you package ready to resell. Properly researched hot niche selling like pancakes. Slap your name on it and claim it as your own. Grab all high-quality content for your book, blog, articles, or sell it and keep all profits, without all the hard work. Finally, build your buyers list effortlessly. Special limited period offer, lowest one-time cost. Plus, exclusive bonuses when you buy now. If you want to buy this product, check the link given in the description. From John Machiriatal. Are you tired of trying to make positive lifestyle changes and always failing? In the beginning, you are motivated to practice new habits like eating a healthy diet and staying hydrated, exercising, getting more sleep, reducing your screen time, spending more time with your family, creating a morning time, reducing drug and alcohol intake. But afterwards, you start putting off the new habit. You tell yourself that you will start on Monday, with a clean slate. Come Monday, you feel a lot of resistance but you still do it. After a few tries, you start skipping days. I'll make it up tomorrow, you lie to yourself. Before you know it, you've fallen off the wagon, again. You are left feeling frustrated and angry with yourself. You feel like a total failure who is incapable of improving their life. To make matters worse, you keep facing the consequences of your unhealthy habits like poor health, fatigue, and strained relationships. But you feel completely stuck, helpless, and hopeless. And that's where adopting LifeStart 3.0 can fill in a void, offering a framework that makes it easier for anybody to implement the habits for true lasting changes and a better life. The surprising truth is that there are little-known techniques and practices that make it easy to let go of destructive habits and install healthy ones. These techniques are easy to master and apply. There are literally millions of buyers across all niches who are always on the lookout for new tips and hacks to achieve success. And acquiring LifeStart 3.0 guide and following a clear step-by-step framework is one of the most effective solutions for this purpose. So my question is, do you want to grab a slice of this highly lucrative self-development niche? If you want to buy this product, check the link given in the description. Lastly, these are the bonuses that I have to offer you. These are worth more than $4,000 that I am giving you for free. The only condition is that you have to purchase the product through the link given below in the description, and after the purchase send an email with the screenshot of your purchase on our email, which you will find in description below. Have a look at the bonuses. These are not a 1 or 2 bonuses or 3 simple bonus, but in total I am offering you 21 bonuses. This definitely will help you if you are a content creator or an affiliate marketer, or even if you run a digital marketing agency. So here is the review from the Best Review for Your Team. If you like the video, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to check the description below. Thank you.